Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Head-Up Display OBD+GPS, OBD mode function, vehicle speed, water temperature, voltage, fuel consumption, speed, single mileage, total mileage, accumulative driving time, driving direction, number of stars, altitude time, intake pressure, and much more. Car tire valve caps. The tire cap is made of durable zinc alloy to improve their strength and durability. These air valve caps were equipped with anti-theft function. Is not easy to steal. The heavy-duty caps help prevent air leak and stop dust and dirt. Damaged Nut Bolt Remover set is the perfect toolkit for removing stripped, rounded off, painted over, and rusted bolts and nuts from impact-rated 6-point high-carbon steel, which provides superior durability, corrosion resistance, and maximum gripping power. Car spare tire cover, made of high quality, dust-proof, durable, and useful. Protect your tire from UV ray and dirt. The seasonal tire protector cover is universal for most kind of tires. You can easy to move your tire to keep your tire from dust and nicks. Car plastic restorer removes light oxidation, dirt, wax residue and surface film with ease, protects against further deterioration caused by sun, smog, ozone, water, chemicals and airborne contaminants, cleans and protects exterior trim of all color. Simulator car turbo sound. Car modified turbo whistle exhaust pipe sounder turbo exhaust whistle. Specifications: small, medium and large. The above styles are silver and gold. Easy to install, beautiful and elegant, very stylish, low cost. .360-degree blind spot mirror. Installation method: 1. Clean the backing area and keep it dry. 2. Appropriate use of hair dryer and other tools to heat the small fan mirror adhesive. 3. Tear off the rubber paper backing while peeling while sticking. Car Triangle LED Brake Light. The attractive triangle design and adjustable brackets fit on the back of your bumper. These additional brake lights improve safety while driving and allow others to see your vehicle in advance when braking. Bluetooth motorcycle helmet. DOT-approved helmet, streamlined design, cool and fashionable. Uses new ABS material, high strength. The buffer layer adopts high-intensity EPS material, strong impact resistance, double visors, inner visor anti-glare. Rearview mirror dash cam. The display employs new techniques and technology to precisely follow the curves of the design, all the way to the elegantly rounded corners, to ensure 100% image view will be displayed in this 10-inch entirely mirror screen. Oil filter wrench. Easy to use, designed with anti-slip helical burr, more convenient for you to use. It has 3 layers of Teflon, can withstand more than 100 kilograms of pressure, more durable, forged steel handle, anti-rust and long life. Car door protection. Reflective warning design. It turns bright when exposed to light, which improves the safety when driving at night. To cover existing scratches and protect your car doors or car body edge from scratch and crash in daily life. If you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.